In this video, how to create a circle blur area in Camtasia. From the blur and highlight annotations, you can create a rectangle blur only. To create a circle blur area in Camtasia, you need to use the blur region visual effect. Drag and drop the blur region effect onto your video in the timeline. Change the shape from rectangle to oval. Resize and position it over the area you want to blur. When resizing, you can hold the Shift key to keep the circle. Alternatively, you can add the effect by right-click on the video and then selecting the effect from the context menu. You can adjust the intensity of the blur by dragging the blur strength slider. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.